What if I told you the line between human and machine consciousness is blurring faster than anyone predicted? In labs across the world, AI systems are beginning to exhibit behaviors that have left scientists asking an uncomfortable question. How will we know when artificial intelligence becomes truly conscious? For decades, we've assumed we'd recognize machine consciousness when we saw it. But what if we've been asking the wrong question all along? What if the test for AI consciousness isn't what we thought it was? What if the answer has been hiding in plain sight? As AI transforms healthcare, transportation, creative arts, and nearly every aspect of our lives, a radical new test proposed by leading researchers could change everything we thought we knew about machine consciousness. In our upcoming video, we'll reveal this controversial test and explore why it's dividing the scientific community. We'll examine the fundamental barrier to detecting consciousness in any being, why the Turing test fails when applied to consciousness, the surprising behaviors emerging in today's most advanced AI systems, the ethical implications if machines truly develop subjective experience. AI consciousness revealed, the shocking test scientists are debating. Coming soon to Echoes of Wisdom. This is just one of the mind-expanding explorations in our 2025 playlist, AI in 2025. Subscribe to Echoes of Wisdom, give this video a like, and press the bell icon so you get notified when we publish this and other groundbreaking content exploring the frontier of human and machine intelligence. Echoes of Wisdom, where we ask the questions that shape our future.